Surprise, surprise, we're back on board another ship. We had a lot of bonus points on our Carnival credit card for all the trips we have done, and we decided that since we're already down in the port area, we might as well use the points and book another cruise. As it turned out, we were able to book a 5-day cruise and 2 land tours. And it didn't cost us anything for this cruise, which was kind of nice to be able to take a cruise and not cost you any money. Well, you had to spend the money to get the free cruise, but, we were taking the cruise anyway. So, hope you enjoy this one. We have 2 land tours, and I think you'll find it very interesting.